and just a quick check-in. How are you? How was your week? And let's start with Kata, please. And please nominate the next one.
Hi, thank you for asking. All good. Pretty much looking forward to the materials that we're going to review together today. I think, to me at least, this would be the most exciting part of the weekly mentor check-ins. So looking forward to it, and handing it over to Sandrine.
Hello, everyone. It's been a nice week for me. Also, I had some time before this class to prepare, so I'm very happy. And I'm really looking forward to discuss all these topics. And I'm handing over the word to Joel.
Okay, so good afternoon, everybody. Everything is fine. I had a great week. Actually, last night I had a little bad sleep, but everything is fine. So looking forward to get answers for some of my questions. Yeah, and Monica, please.
My week was quite busy. I have a lot of work at my workplace and I had to study too. Today is a special day because it is Mother's Day. So I am feeling a little sad that I couldn't visit my mother today and spend the day with my son. However, I am happy that I was able to do what I planned for today regarding my studies. So that's good. And I pass the word to Pavel.
I'm sorry, which Pavel? Obrušník or Vavruška?
Vavruška, you.
Vavruška, okay. Thank you. So I was looking forward for today's meeting with you, and I got a very nice week and include weather because I am so happy with springtime now, which start maybe 1 month ago, and I am, in my opinion, I am every time busy. So I don't know what I can to do first, and so I hope that today will be good. Because this is our first meeting for more hours. So, and I will give speech to Lenka.
So hello one more time. We have a very nice week here in Slovakia, and we are painting our house, and my husband has broken his leg. So I don't know where my head is standing, as we said here. And also I have a baby boy, so I have no time to prepare for this meeting. So I will doing workshop exercises together with you. I'm giving the word to Claudia.
Hi everyone. I had a very good week, but also busy with work. But I went through the exercises and I hope I could solve the best I can. And I'm waiting for today, the all day. Just I have some question about the exercises, and that's it about me. I pass the word to, well, I don't know, Anna.
Hi everyone, good afternoon. I had a nice week actually. Today is Mother's Day, so I received some presents from my children, and I'm looking forward to ask my questions regarding the exercises. I had some time to work on them, to the workshop exercises as well. So let's start. I don't know if, Pavel, I give my word to Pavel.
Hello everyone, I think you meant me. So My head just stopped smoking recently from the exercises because it was quite hard, I think. And otherwise it's all okay. Apart, I again forgot, like there is a names day of my wife today, so you know, as usually I forgot. So I'm looking forward for some answers today because really my head was smoking from something and I couldn't figure out. And yeah, the time passed really fast. So okay, I pass my word to good man Christos.
Hello, everybody. It was a nice and busy week here in Košice. There was plenty of events. So, and spring goes well. And yeah, looking forward for today's exercises. Also, I have some few questions. And I pass my word to Peter.
Yeah, hi. I had also quite a busy week, and also we have a small child, so I had lack of sleep as well. But other than that, it's all good. I also didn't had any time during my work or beside my work to do anything, so most likely looking forward to work with you together today. So I pass the word to Timmy.
Hi, everyone. I also had a very busy week, like celebration ongoing. After our session on Wednesday, my partner just came and said that, come on, dress up, we go out for dinner. And we have a company thing on Thursday, so I get home like just before midnight. And we also celebrating yesterday. I also got a bit sunburned as well. So actually no time for the exercises. I still have a lot to do, but I'm looking forward to it. And I'm passing to Eva.
Hi, everybody. So my week so far was good. Quite busy actually with some other stuff than this course, but unfortunately, someone from Green Fox removed my access from GitHub on Friday, and I tried to reach to like back office or student office, and I think because it's weekend, so I didn't really get it back. So I hope that we can resolve this afterwards in the mentors room, so that I can actually get access to material review and exercises. So that's why I wasn't able to do much stuff. And I pass my word to Zsolt. I hope I pronounce it correctly.
If it's me, I was already. So I had a great week, blah, blah.
So I don't know if there is anyone, or if I think I was the last one.
Yes, I think, and it was very quickly. I guess it will take some more time to just chit chat. So my week.
Okay, so I just add a little bit. Yeah, you guys
haven't said for you. You haven't speak for yourself though.
Yeah, you guys, you scared me with these Mother Days. You know, like I told myself that I didn't forget just my wife's names, but also forgot about my mother. So I quickly checked. But it was already so.
Hungarian Mother's Day today.
Yes. That should be next week here. Yeah.
Yes.
Don't worry, you have.
No, it was already in March. I think I checked on the.
That's Women's Day on March.
Good, and let's just use the reaction and maybe the yes and no that have you finished the platform basics?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Miss me only one last unit. So, so I will need help as well, like Pavel told before, the same, because my head start be insane from time to time.
Nice.
So
Okay.
I spent several hours above tasks, and so everything is gone. Only one last unit. I need help, please. Then.
Sure. Sure. We can discuss later on Discord. And what about the exercises? Have you started?
Yes,
No.
and completed.
Who was the completed? Christos, you?
Yeah,
All of them.
yeah.
Wow. Nice
Me too.
job.
Wow, bravo, bravo.
Wow. Great.
I also completed, but the last one I couldn't.
No
also-
worries.
I
You
also
know, I
completed.
thought that the last one, because it had that small icon, like the muscle icon, it would be difficult, but it wasn't at all. So,
Okay.
I also completed, but I have some questions.
Okay, that's good. We are here for that. Okay. And how was it? Do you find it difficult or easy peasy ones?
some exercises they needed some digging, and other exercises they just needed some reminded from the modules how exactly to do it. And maybe one or two needed some Google Google search, but yeah, that was it.
That's okay. The Google search. I think we are also using it during the work, so it's okay to use it. So we are all humans and not able to know everything by heart, so it's okay. That's the great way that you find it. So it's also important to learn how to Google something to have the correct answer for it. Okay, great. Do you want a quick break or shall we start the beginning of the material review?
We can start.
You can start.
Okay,
Yes, I agree.
okay.
And we will have some break later, for example, after 1 or 2 hours.
Yeah,
Or-
sure, we can have.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Let me just quickly share the screen with you. Just a second. Okay. Okay. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So you need to go to slido.com and in the top, you need to put this number to join and you can type for each question. So I just want everybody to put the answer for this one. We will have a few of these because I wanted to have it a bit interactive, not just only one person speaking about.
And I'm sorry, I misunderstood due to number. What we need to do with number?
Put it in, so if you go to slido.com.
Okay.
Yes, you need to
Yeah.
add this number to join this. And then you need to put the answer. So what is a CRM? What does it mean? Okay. Okay, I see somebody is still typing. Okay. So I see a lot of good answers. So it's customer relationship management. So if you edit this or the customer, the relationship, the customer, then the management, so like this separately, your answer was good. Okay, let's go to the next one. What is Salesforce? Okay. Okay, and I see the word, what I missed. Yeah. Oh, wow, a lot of words. Great. Perfect. So we can all agree that Salesforce is a CRM, yeah? And it's cloud-based. I see somewhere you put it. Yes, and some of you put very good and nice sentences to manage relationship with customer as well, yeah? And you can use it to analyze, to business, to market. Great. Any questions so far? Sorry, I forgot to ask about that one.
And it's also a customer company as well.
Yeah, it's yeah,
Yes,
like
agree.
a company.
Yes, yes, yes.
And also they call Salesforce as an ecosystem, yeah, all around the world, like the whole with the companies and
Yes, yes,
clients
it's
and
a worldwide
employees.
company.
Yeah.
Mhm. Yes, yes. We also have, I'm not sure about, but in Hungary, we have a Salesforce community. I will send you an invite for those who
Ooh,
want,
thanks.
just
That's
ping
what I
me.
wanted to ask today.
Yes, yes. I
This,
think you have it in each country, and you can just have some gathering, like some
okay.
brainstorming. And here in Hungary, we have some presentation about the new release, or for example, Tableau or something like that. There is always somebody who speak about that one. You can just meet the others who are also working as an admin or a developer or something like that. Yeah. Okay. Any notes about this? What is Salesforce? Okay. So what is an app in Salesforce? You can also put examples as well. Oh, wow. Okay. Mhm. Okay, I pretty like this one, set of objects that support the business process. Okay, these are applications. It's also good. Yeah. Who can use an app? Everybody can use it, or I can just define that marketing team can use it, or only a sales team can use it.
It's based on how you set it up in the object.
Mm-hmm. Okay, perfect. Thank you very much, Kata. Good
So
answer.
this is for all of them, for departments, if I understand
Yes.
good.
Yes, yes, yes. And you can have different apps. You can also able to create new apps if it's needed. And you can just set up based on the profiles who will access it. And
Yes,
you can, yes,
Yes,
Blanca?
yes, you can.
Yes, yes. And also, are you able to put different objects in it?
In lighting experience, yes.
Mm-hmm. Correct. Okay. Any questions regarding the apps in Salesforce? Okay.
Sorry, I have a question. I lost the connection for a while, so I don't know what we're doing now. I see you do
Okay,
some
no worries.
polls.
Okay, you joined to this Slido, Pavel?
I see the screen. You're probably sharing the screen, but don't
Yes.
know. Yeah. So what should I do then?
Go to slido.com.
Like, shall I open the web page somewhere else, or?
Yes, yes. Just put it in Google. Or you can use your phone as well if you want, if it's easier.
Slido.com, yeah?
Yes, and there is an option to join to a Slido.
Enter code here.
Yes, and you need to put this 2295727.
2295. Okay. 2295727. And now what? Shall I enter the word?
Yes, you can if you want. We almost finished, so we can go to the other one.
Okay, I will figure out. Okay, thanks.
Okay. Okay, let me just check if I think I need to go back just a second. Unfortunately, there are some limitations with this one, so. Okay, let's start the second part. Okay. For this one, I think you need to enter a new code. So it's 2546416. I'm sorry about that. There is a limitation that I wasn't able to put all the questions in one slide. Okay. And the question is, what are objects and custom objects? If you know also the difference between of them, it would be also nice if you type Mm-hmm. Okay, both is correct. Mhm.
Yeah, I have different question. I put this number on a Slido, and I have a still question. What is a Salesforce? How do I get to this question?
Yeah, I have same problem in Slido, so I'm not sure what
Okay.
happened.
Go back to join, and you need to put a new code for it.
Okay, okay.
It's that 2546416.
Sorry, what was the number again? 254?
2546416.
16. Okay. Still the same.
Okay, no worries.
Two, five,
Let me just check.
No, I'm good now. I'm good now. I'm good.
It's working now. Yeah, for me as well.
Okay, good.
I have a question. So this
Yes.
little guy who is dancing there it's a man or a animal?
I think it's an it. Astro.
Okay. Astro, yeah, Astro.
As I know, not a she and not a he. So.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay, so let's check the answers. Okay, custom, when you can customize the standard objects. The standard objects are the ones which are already in Salesforce. So, like some of you wrote that account, opportunity, contact, these are the standard ones. And the custom ones which you are created. So they can be the idea which you need to create in one of the tasks. So those are the custom ones. Whenever a customer asks to have, I don't know, something special object because they have ideas which they need to track in the system, then you need to create a new custom object. For the rest, you can use the standard objects. Do you know in the naming what is the difference? How can you tell about the API name? If it's a standard or a custom? Tricky question. Maybe you shouldn't.
There's a C at the end.
Good one. Yes, yes, it's an underscore, underscore, and C for all the custom objects in the API name. Yes. And in the standard ones, you will only see account, and that's all for the API name. Good one, Timia. Okay, any questions regarding the objects and the custom objects? Okay, I take it as a no. Let's go to the other one. What are the records? Row, field data, inputs, information, data associated with an object, pretty nice. Okay. Okay. I think this one is pretty clear. You have the same answers. Yeah. You are chatting in Discord, I know. You discuss the answers. No, I'm just kidding. It's okay. Yeah. I think no questions regarding what are the records. So let's move on to the next one. What is a field? One data point with an object. Okay. The columns. One piece of data in a record. Okay. Contains object data. Places where you store the value. Yes. It's mostly we say the record which stores the value, but I know what you are mean on this one. It's a space where you input. Yeah. Okay, I think this one is also pretty clear. Do you know what type of fields we have? Can you just say something, or you can also put it here? Let me just not sure from here. Yeah, from here I am not able to remove the answers, but if you can put some type of fields, that would be nice. Or you can just say it out loud. It's also good.
So can be text, data, date, types. I think.
Checkbox, currency, number, person.
Okay.
Address.
Okay, good.
A pick list as well, right? Because it's on one of the trailhead. Yeah.
For pick list, we have how many types?
2.
The simple one and the multi-select. Yeah.
Multi-select, yeah.
Okay. Let me check the others. Monica, do you know a field which we missed? Or just
Price, for example.
Okay. Eva?
Like what we already mentioned, like for example, the name, address.
I mean the type of the field, like text or pick list. You can also open a playground and just say some.
We have different lengths of text. Like how long, different lengths of text, but how many, how long and how many rows is visible.
Yes. Okay. Great, thank you. And we will have one last slide. Let's go back and you will have a new code for this one. And this will be the last part because the other questions are so long that we need to discuss. Okay, so the new code is 18565 and 0. And the question is, what is an org? It's an organization, okay. Who can have an organization? Maybe if you can just put that one as well. A company. Highest level container in Salesforce, perfect. Company can have. One tenant for a particular, yeah. Okay, seems we can agree on this one. Perfect. Thank you very much. So org is the shorten of organization, and each company can have one or more if they want. Yes. Any questions about this one? I guess no. And the last one about this Slido. Have you liked it? Okay. Okay, then we will prepare for the next time with some of these.
Astro is very excited about the score.
Yes. I try to put some funny gifts
It's
for
funny.
you.
So I don't know how to call she or he, or doesn't matter.
Astro, just call it Astro.
Okay.
It was nice for repeating for me.
Okay. We still have some questions. So if you agree, we can just take a short break, 15 minutes or something like that. So we can just mute yourself and stop the video, and let's get back 2 o'clock. Are we okay with that one?
Yes.
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 Okay.
Sounds great.
Okay, and we can continue the material review. The next part, I will just read out loud the questions, and I would be more than happy if somebody will answer, and not me who should pick somebody to answer.
Okay.
But I'm also happy to answer it if none of you know the answer.
Sure.
Okay, thank you. So let's get back 2 o'clock.
Bye. After a few minutes.
Bye.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Okay. Let's kick off the second part of the questions. So, what use cases Salesforce is suitable for?
I think that it
Sure.
is suitable for everything, not only for sale, but also for IT, HR, for everybody, I think.
Yes. Do you agree? Everybody agrees on this?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Any questions?
Just for the different business use, they use different clouds, right? For like for sales management, sales cloud, for the customer
Yes.
service, service cloud, and for the e-commerce, the commerce cloud, and etc. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. They can use the same as well, but it's pretty good if they have a separate cloud for it. Yes. Yes, very
Okay.
good. Okay. So the next question. What is multi-tenancy and why it is beneficial? Who knows?
Shared by multiple.
I'm sorry, multi-tenancy and the second.
So, okay, so let's repeat the question. So what is multi-tenancy and why it is beneficial? And I think, Claudia, you started to answer, so please go ahead.
Yeah.
So it's shared by multiple clients and also becomes cost effective because it's shared by multiple clients with the same stuff.
Great. Any question on this or any add?
Can you give some example like of this multi-tenancy? Like
It's kind of like when you have an apartment and you have separate rooms, but you can also use the same room, so you can be together in the same room, but you can also separate in the different rooms. So everybody has their own space to work in it, but you can share the resources there. Is it clear like this?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, what is metadata?
It's a data that describes another data. So like in the customer info, you can see the first name, last name, contact name, etc.
Yes.
So it's like more more details about data, if I understand good.
Yes, yes. Anybody knows what is MVC, the model view controller? Okay, so the structure of the Salesforce org is encoded in metadata. So everything you have there is the metadata, and the model is the metadata. We collect them under objects separately, such as accounts, contacts, and it could be also some custom objects, as we discussed previously. And each of the objects have different type of fields, which contains different data. So this is the model part of the MVC. And there is a view part of the MVC. It means what data you see and how you see it in the system. So it could be a screen flow, a page layout, a wizard, and also the UI and the reports. And the controller is basically the brain of the system, of the Salesforce, which communicates between the model and the view. So these are mostly the background automatizations, which are the flows, triggers, workflows, process builders. Okay, any question about this one? Okay, take it as a no. Okay, next one. What type of additions are available for the companies?
There are several different editions, for example, Essentials, Professional, Enterprise, and Unlimited.
Mm-hmm.
And the Salesforce also offers industry-specific editions, for example, healthcare, financial services, or non-profit organizations.
Good.
And
Really
also
And there is
developers.
performance as well, right?
And developer.
Developer, yes.
Mm-hmm. And do you know the differences between them?
It's the price is different, the tools, the functionality, and of course the essential is the smallest one for up to 10-15 people, the company, and etc. So in performance is the big enterprise is using that, like Coca-Cola, I guess. Coca-Cola use Salesforce, right?
Companies.
Yeah.
I'm not aware. Maybe yes. I don't know. You know?
I checked which companies use like an end users. So when I was checking before what kind of jobs we can have, so not only for Salesforce, for end user companies like Facebook is using Salesforce as well, as far as I know, and Coca-Cola too. Maybe before, not now, but Apple use Salesforce as well.
I guess so. Yeah, maybe
not now, but they used before.
Yeah, it's really usual to use Salesforce. It's easy. Yeah.
And also the difference between enterprise and unlimited is the amount of data.
Yeah, storage. Yeah.
Perfect. Good. Really good answers. You are well prepared for this one. Any questions on this?
What's the prices?
Oh, we can check it. I don't know, but I think
something were like $25 for essential and 75 for the biggest.
Per person, right? In the company, per person.
Yes. But you can just contact them and have some good price for it or something like that. So you can just discuss with them, but they have a standard price for them, as far as I know. Yeah. it's not too cheap.
Yeah. And can I have a question? The developer edition is free, right, for developers? Or it's
I think you
Oh.
can have a developer edition in each org. There is a limitation of how much you have, as far as I
okay.
know. We can just quickly check it, just a second.
It has a free trial.
Yes, yes.
So most likely there is a price also for it.
Yeah, so
But if you would like to check like Apex, you know how it works from Trailhead, you can go, or you have to pay for that. Not the Trailhead, but for the developer edition, if you want to see or Apex on.
you can use it there. Whenever you work with a company, you have a different developer edition org. So it's not just not 100% the same like in the
Okay.
background.
Yeah, sure.
So for example, where I work now, I work at World Economic Forum, and each of our developer has one separated developer org. They are working there, and whenever we have the release date, they move everything from their developer org to the QA. So we have the production. This is what all of the users use, the staff. And then we have QA for testing and staging for testing as well. Before anything goes to production, we need to test it there.
Okay, thanks.
I will check how many developer org can be, and I will get back to you in this one.
Just can I have one practical question on this one?
Sure.
So if you use the developers, all of them use different development instances, then there is no common place where they can see what they kind of, you know, break with each other's stuff. So that means that because as I said, I'm working with service now where there you have one development instance. So basically all the developers log in there and do their stuff. Of course, it's separated who does what, but at least on the dev, they already see if they, you know, interfered with something with each other. So just one instance before, because in this approach, you only put your stuff into Q&A, and that's, you know, where it usually explodes.
Yes, that's why we are testing there always in QA. But yeah, I totally agree. But here they have it like this.
Okay, it's good to know. So there's no kind of you know, separate development instance. Only the Q&A and the prod are just one, and the development is multiple. Okay,
yeah, I think it's really based on the company. So if they want, they can just ask to have separate developer orgs for each of them. But sometimes they can just have one developer orgs and all the developer works there. So
okay, but if you ask the developers, they will always go for their instance, because then no one interacts with their stuff.
Yes, I think they much like to have a separate org for it. Yeah. Yes. Okay, I will check the limitation of this, how many you can have. Any questions? Okay, the next question is a really easy one. How do you find setup in Salesforce?
Upper right corner.
Good, quick one. I think everybody agrees on this. Okay. And okay, what is app exchange?
It's like a marketplace where you can find purchase or download for free apps.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yes. Anything else to add for this?
Some for free, some at cost.
Yes. And
And
it's
you can build apps in there.
okay. Yes, you can also create a new.
So it's
Mhm.
basically offering solutions for
Mm-hmm.
building apps and using apps.
Mm-hmm. Good, good, good. Yes. I highly recommend when a customer has some difficult things to do and you are not able to manage it quickly with a flow or workflow. It's always a good option to check if there are any solution in the App Exchange for that one. Okay. Any question about this one? Okay. What is a lightning app?
Framework for Salesforce apps or app development.
Or collections of items that work together.
Yes. Mm-hmm. Yes, both of good. Yeah. And what can we see there? So for example, we have the sales app, which you are familiar with it. What you can reach from there.
We can see the objects or the fields record, and we can customize as well.
Mm-hmm.
Easily switching between apps also there. And there is a custom color and logo.
Mm-hmm.
You can use navigation bar.
Yes. Mm-hmm. And am I able to add different profiles there? So one app for the sales team and another one for the HR team, for example. Is it possible to do? Yes. Is it possible? Yeah, Monica, I saw that you are shaking your head. Yeah. Yeah, so is it possible to manage it like that, that the sales team will see different tabs if they open their app and different reachable custom or standard objects? Okay. Any question on the Lightning apps? Okay. From where you are able to reach a Lightning app?
The app launcher.
Sorry?
App launcher. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Good. Good, good. Okay. What is a list view chart, and how to create them?
This is a custom set of records, so you can filter your records if you don't want to see all of them, but just the subset. You can set up filters, you can save those filters, and then you can switch to that view and view only those records.
Perfect.
And you can visualize these records. Okay, you can summarize these records from some point of view and visualize that. And that's the list view chart.
Perfect. Good. Nothing to add to this one. It was really detailed. Okay, any question on this? All of you started to create a list view. Are you familiar with it?
I have a question. We always need to pick all users can see this view, or because I'm not sure that.
It's based on the request, so
but
usually yes, it's because you need to set up the record visibility in different way.
Yeah.
So if I'm not able to see the record, I can have the list view option, but I won't be able to see any records there.
Okay, sure.
Okay, any other questions? Okay. What are compact layouts?
Predefined, like compact layouts is like different types of layouts within the pre-customized list of as the second or third step of when you're creating a Lightning app. So basically how you would like the screen to appear for your users when they first launch it.
Okay.
And the most needed info is highlighted there, so it's look at it.
And where it is highlighted?
At the top of a record.
Okay. Perfect. Any question on this? Okay, am I able to set up different compact layouts for different profiles?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes, you are.
Okay. Good, thank you. How can you customize the structure of a page and the position of the components?
With a Lightning app builder.
No. It's only about the page.
Page, okay.
Okay.
You can create a page layout for it.
Yes.
Page layout, okay.
Clear now, Stuart?
Sure, yeah.
Okay. And what I can do in the page layout, what I'm able to add there.
You can add a custom button, for example, or some links also.
Okay. Am I able to add related links, which are for related objects?
Yes,
I think so.
You can also, yeah.
And am I able to add more page layouts for the different profiles?
Yes.
I think so. Yeah.
Yes. Mostly for this question, always a yes. So a lot of things you are able to set up based on the profiles. So you can set up the page layouts and these kind of things, the compact layouts as well, based on the profiles. So it's mostly always a yes for this question. Okay, any question regarding the page layouts? Okay. How can you customize the content of the page?
By page layout editor.
Okay. And if I have a pick list and I don't want to give access for all the pick list values for everybody?
You can choose the visibility, so you can give the who you would like who can see, you can pick, no? And, okay.
No, I mean, yes, in a way, for the visibility, you can just say that this pick list field is not visible for me, for example, but for you is visible. But if it's visible for both of us, I still have an option to separate the values which are visible for me and which are visible for somebody else. We use the record type for this one.
Okay.
Okay. Is it clear now? Okay. Any questions on this? Okay. What can custom buttons and links do?
Links can link to external website, for example, Google.com.
Good. And the buttons?
You can perform some actions using the actual record or global.
Okay, good, good. So with the buttons, as Sandrine mentioned, we can use a new function, maybe to create some new records, create a case, or I don't know, something like that, to create something or start a screen flow, and you can put it on the object. So you need to create first the custom button, and then you need to add it to the page layout. And from there, the user will be able to use that button and create a new record. And with the links, we can just put an external link. Any question on this? Am I able to put more buttons in a page layout or only one?
Yes, you can put more.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Okay. What would you use an object-specific action for?
To perform some action which actually uses the data from the record you are accessing the button from.
Perfect. Really detailed. Thank you. Okay, and as I see the last question, what would you use a global action for? And what is a global action?
That impacts all data items in the object.
Not really impacts all of them.
Or has an impact on in some certain way.
Okay. Where is the global action? How can you reach a global action?
Setup.
It's nearby setup on the top right, more to the left. And I think it lets you to create or upload records without leaving the page.
Okay, so I am able to reach this always?
Yes.
Yes.
So it doesn't relate to the screen or to the object or to the record you are working on.
Yes. Okay. And what I can do there? So you mentioned that I'm able to create something, create a new record from there, for example.
Yeah,
Is it true?
Yes. Log calls, email.
Mhm. And you can add more there. So I can create more.
Yes, of course.
Okay, good. Any questions? All clear? Or you have some questions? Okay. I take it as a no. That sounds good.
I have a general question. Sorry.
Sure, go ahead.
How can we check that the workshop exercises were good or not?
We can check separately, or you can check with the group as well. So
okay.
yeah, so as I mentioned that you can just ask the question there from anybody from the team and from us, from mentors as well, as you wish. I am more than happy to help, but it's also good if you are working as a team, like colleagues or something like that. But for these ones, we will not check one by one. So we trust you that you managed it. And if you have any questions or doubts that it's working good or not, we can check together. You can show.
Thank you.
Okay.
I have a question. Like when you have a end of this module, like 4-week module, will you have like some kind of exam? Yeah.
Yes.
Will there be any questions like this? Like what is CRM and this? Is it gonna be like questions there as well, or is it gonna be just practical?
You need to learn these ones because in the Salesforce admin exam, you will have something like this. Not all of them like this, but some kind of these questions as well. So that's why we are preparing for this. And in the really, really final exam of this course, we will have these. So it will be kind of like an interview, a job interview. And we will just ask, yes, more or less these ones.
That's hard. That's hard.
But no worries. You will have time to learn it. Yes. And we will have project exams during the course. And those were like, you will have a project, for example, create some new app, and there's some new objects and fields and flows, something like that. So you will have 1 week for that one and 2 mentor times. So 2 weekday mentor times, and you will have the exam on the weekend.
Yeah, and also, do you have like some like maybe jargon dictionary, like where you can, maybe you're not sure, you read it and you're thinking, what is it? You know, you don't know what it is. Yeah, like for example, I was first I was reading this lightning something, and I was like, what is it? Like I couldn't figure out. Or maybe there is some short, or like UI, yeah, like user interface. Yeah, and is there any dictionary where you can find the
I'm not sure if
shall
we
I
have.
use the Google instead, or
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, but you will learn these ones as well.
But on Trailhead is something like dictionary. I found it.
Yeah,
Really?
and the Salesforce help as well. In
yeah.
Trailhead help, and then you can look for UI and LWC or whatever.
Yeah, and then you start to
Like-
read for half an hour.
this-
Yeah.
And some dictionary is part of Salesforce, or if I understand good.
I'm not sure I understand this one. So Salesforce has these dictionaries, or what do you mean?
Somebody thought now that dictionary is part of Salesforce, or I misunderstood maybe.
For these shortened forms, I think. And you can find it in Salesforce Help.
Yes. Okay.
But yeah, you can just drop the word in our one of our Discord channel, and we will let you know what is it.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
I sure do.
Okay, sure. That's why we are here. So, okay. Anything else, or we can just go to Discord?
And this 4 weeks exam is gonna be on the last day, so on May the 28th. So 3 Sundays from now.
Let me just check it in the calendar. Just a second. So the first project week, you mean?
Yeah, so this week.
Just a second. I'm checking the plan.
And does it gonna look like that we got an exercise and we have to finish it during those hours?
The week. During the whole week, you can work on that.
And you just check it on Trailhead, or we put some data somewhere?
We will check it one by one. So in these exam days, we have a quick check-in, like how we did it today. And we give you the schedule, who starts and what time you can just jump in the Zoom call. And you will share your screen and show us the results, what you did in your org. And we will have some scoring for all of them. We will ask that how you managed it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like that.
Thanks.
Am I answered it?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I have a quick question. Next week, we're gonna have the mentor time Tuesday and Wednesday and Sunday, right? Because tomorrow is a national holiday for
Yes.
Czech Republic.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. 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 I think I updated the calendar as well.
Okay,
But
sure.
but we will always send the information via Discord to you. And let me just check the calendar. Okay, just a second. Okay, as I see, the first exam will be end of May. It's the 28th of May.
Great. 28.
And after it, we will have a break, a 1 week break.
And can I ask you, we will get some new homework until next Sunday?
No.
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 All right. So we can repeat this homework what we got last time. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Lovely.
Yes. And I
Lovely.
think I need to be able to reach the next week. But usually we will put the next week plan for the whole week on Mondays. So now we are just uploaded because we knew that some of you already managed the platform basics. So that's why we put both of them. But mostly we will put them on Mondays.
Like
you mean next Monday?
Yes. Next.
Okay.
Yeah, imagine like Salesforce. This is an alphabet, yeah, like from A to Z. Whereabout are we now? Are we at the A or maybe see how far we are? I
Minus
will ask
8.
more time, you know, as the times goes. Are we still
Minus
at the
8.
A
It
or?
will be easy.
It's just a very difficult question.
Yes. I'm sorry. I need to Google this one. I don't know by heart.
Yeah.
To be honest, we are in the very beginning, but we are in a very good way to learn.
I was
And
hoping you
read
say
easily.
some maybe M or something, but yeah.
Sorry, but not yet.
Okay, good.
Not yet, but yeah, we are in a good way to learn all of them. Yeah.
Okay.
All the letters. Yeah. No worries.
So what we can find in GitHub at the week 2, we should just check the material review and we will do the exercises on next Sunday.
Next week.
Okay.
Yes, 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 yes. Anything else?
Can I ask you maybe some question? I have question for the future.
Okay.
Do you know if it's possible work like for part-time only
I believe so. Yeah.
in some company, or
Yeah.
I don't know if you have some experience or
With the part-time jobs, I don't, unfortunately. So I always worked as a full-timer.
okay.
But
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure that that there are some part-time jobs. So yeah.
So it can be possible in some companies. Yeah.
Yeah. I believe so. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay.
You need to search by that one in LinkedIn. That's part-time.
Yeah,
Part-time.
but I have a lot of time now, so this is only for the future. So thank you.
Yes. I think you will find something like that. Yeah. For me, the Green Fox one is part-time. Sorry. Yeah, I lied. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so what we're doing next now?
Now we can move to Discord if you don't have any other questions. And we will come back here for the checkout. So Lorenz will join around 3 o'clock. And you will find us in our rooms. So if you have any questions, just join in that room. And you can just ask, share the screen, and we can discuss it. Or you can also just check with the others how they solve the exercises. It's also good to see others' results.
Can I have one more general question?
Sure.
You said that you put the next week's schedule available on Monday. But
Yes. Now it's there.
I see, but in the future, because I fear that to fully understand the topic by Sunday, it's very good if I complete all of the week's schedule by Sunday. So by this mentor time, and then I basically don't have anything to do during the rest of the mentor time. Or otherwise, I can't reply the questions, or I can't if I don't complete it. So
yeah, but I think in the future it will be most difficult. So now they are the easy questions and the easy tasks we have. And later on, when we finish the material reviews, we will have the projects. So I guarantee that you will not bored.
Okay.
I have just one question. If we go to week number 2 in GitHub, we see the materials and resources. So it's a trailhead modules and then material review. But on the top of the page, there are some folders regarding above the README. Like smoothie delivery and pet owner, etc.
No,
This is exercises as well, or it's not for us?
let
And
me check.
Vilmos Padre was the creator, as I see.
Yes, just a second. Let me just check. So week 2.
It was
Yes.
uploaded last year, so maybe it was forgotten there.
Ah, okay. But if you go like pet owner and the readme is like
It's on the
it's
Sunday one.
It's every day. on
every
week
day,
2.
yes. And there are some exercises if you go into the mappa or folder.
Yeah, I see. Okay, I will check this one. What are these? Maybe they are some tasks. Let me just check.
A pet owner, the ICN exercise, workshop exercise.
Yeah, I mean it's not bad because it's
Maybe it's
Yes.
some
Mhm. Are you able to open it?
yeah, sure.
Yeah. Then I think we can just keep them. And if you finish all the workshop exercises, then you can just go ahead on those ones, which are from Vilmos.
Oh, it's the same like the bottom.
Yes, but I think fruits and pet owner is the same.
It's the same, yeah.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
the roots.
Yes.
Okay, sure.
Just ignore that in that case.
Thank you.
Welcome. Okay. Anything else?
It's a lot of questions on week 2. On week 2.
Yeah, so it meant, and it's gonna be more and more, right? So
Yeah. Yeah. But now
Please
focus
don't,
on week 1.
please don't ask me next week, okay?
Okay. We will do again the Slido. I think
Okay.
next week Lorenz will do the material review with you. And yeah, I just pinged him that you like the Slido, so you need to do it. Maybe it's a better way, because if you don't want to speak, you can just write down the answer there, or just see the correct answers there. I'm not sure. You can also choose which was the better way to check the questions. Okay.
Yeah, and like you have like this studying material and it says like 45 minutes. Yeah, that's aim, or like you can do it in 45 minutes, or
I think it's from the
not real.
Trailhead.
It's not real.
Yeah, it's Trailhead,
No,
yeah.
I think it's from the Trailhead. We put it there, what they said, but
It always takes less.
sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less. Yeah, yes. If you are a quick reader and you already know it, it's less or the same, but sometimes you need to spend more time on that.
Yeah, there was one like it said like half an hour and it took me 2 days.
No worries, no worries.
And in our contract says that we should have the certified administrator exam or get the certification before the course ends. So it's mean around the 6 months we should do it, and we're gonna apply together, like because we're gonna do it online, right? At the
Yes.
Salesforce. Oh, okay.
You need to have a web accessor login. Let me just send you the link of that. Just a second. But yeah, no rush with it, I guess.
We have time for that. I mean, I have time for that.
Yeah.
Just curious about it.
Yes. So you need to register here, web
Okay.
accessor, and I will ask one of my colleagues, because there is an option to ask not sure, 15 or 30 minutes, maybe just 15 minutes extra time if you are not a native English speaker. And you need to have that extra time before you choose the exam.
Ah, okay.
Yeah,
That's
but
great.
we will have time for this, so yeah, you don't need to do it now. Yeah, but if you want, you can just register and see how it's going. And we also have some discounts always, which we can give to you. It's 140 US dollars from the $200 exam. So it's pretty good to have it. We always share these information in the useful or in the general. So yeah.
That's cool.
Okay. Anything else? General or non-general questions? Okay. Then let's just move to Discord and see you around 30 minutes before 6 here in the Zoom.
Okay.
Okay.
So 5:30, yeah? 5:30.
Yes, yes. I
Okay.
think 30 minutes is enough for the checkout.
5:30. Okay.
Thank you. See you
Thank
there.
you.
Okay,
See you.
thank you. Bye.
Bye.
See you.
See you.